Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the book button down below, set the type of trip such as round trip or one way only. After that, select your departure point in the left side, then your destination on the right side. After that, select your departure and return date, tap on select dates and then set the number of passengers. After that, tap on this arrow, this red button down below, and the results are going to appear at this page. Here you can select from economy or premium economy class, and here you can see all of the relevant flights available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.